How to use Exness MT5 Platform. First of all, open your preferred web browser and go to the official Exness website at exness.com. Log in using your Exness account credentials. Once logged in, click on the Trade button from the home screen. A window will pop up. Select the MetaTrader 5 MT5 option. You will see the download button. Click on it to download the MT5 platform to your device. After downloading, install the platform and open it. Log in using your Exness account credentials to access your trading account. Once logged in, you will see the dashboard displaying market instrument including Forex pairs, commodities, and indices. Use the search bar to find your preferred instrument. To place a trade, select the instrument and choose buy or sell based on your analysis. Enter the trade volume and optionally set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risks. The MT5 platform also provides advanced technical indicators and chart tools. Customize charts, switch between candlestick, line or bar charts, choose different time frames, and add indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. You can monitor open trades in the position section and track your account balance, equity, and margin in real time. Now you know how to use the Exness MT5 platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.